Sanibonani Mphisa Ngivusele. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe to like it, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Anyway, guys, let's get to sort of today. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Over your guys, she's making it, guys. Most of women, after leaving their ex-famous boyfriend or husband, they tend to strike because they don't know who they are, guys. Remember, you are known as dating this famous guy or famous man. You never know, guys. So, guys, but over your guys, she's making it, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I know some of you really don't like us talking about over your guys. You really need to understand over your guys, she's a celebrity. There are a lot of celebrities out there they wish to be over your guys, to be talked about on social media right now. Nowadays, guys, it's very important because the more they talk about you, the more companies will come and approach you guys. So talking about Vuyo guys, it doesn't mean that we hate Vuyo guys. The more we talk about her, the more Vuyo guys she's winning. So I hope you guys understand that it's not that deep. So anyway, guys, this is what Vuyo guys posted on her social media page. One thing about Vuyo guys, she's making it in life. So she went on to say, "My new baby, welcome home, iPhone 16." I don't know what to say, guys. I feel like it's a tembo. You know, they were not paying these people enough money. I once heard it is alleged that they're getting paid 25,000 rand. It's not a lot of money, guys. Trust me, you have a lot of things that you need to do. I mean, not long ago, she went to Turkey to fix her stomach. That's a lot of money, guys. She did spend a lot of money there. So, guys, you can tell your guys, now she's making more money. She's more comfortable. She has her own freedom compared when she was on Ganiza's temple, guys. Remember, on Ganiza's temple, there are certain things that you're not allowed to do. Maybe you need to wait for the show so that you can do it. Right now, Vuyo guys, she has a YouTube channel. You know, she's making her own many brand approaching her. So, guys, the freedom it's giving her more money, guys. When I will say sometimes you need to be single to make it in life, this is what we're talking about. But anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, so like, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.